Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can quote unquote block sellers on eBay. So let's get right into it. Now, on eBay, you don't have the option to block a seller as you would block a buyer from your own listings. It's just not possible unless you specifically set the settings to exclude results from certain sellers. You will still be able to see them, and you cannot block users as you would on other social media, etc., etc. Now, there is a way, as I've mentioned, to exclude those results from your searches, and it's actually relatively simply done. All you need to do is just use the advanced search to your advantage, and that is pretty much it. Now, to get to advanced search, literally right next to the search button is the advanced button, so just click on that, and that's gonna enter you into advanced search. What you're gonna want to do is scroll all the way down until you get to sellers, and as you can see, you can check on only show items from, which you do want to check. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to set include to exclude, and then you're just going to enter the seller's name. And then once you do that, as you can see, it'll check itself off automatically, and it's going to show you only show items from and specific sellers. You need to enter the seller's user IDs, and once you set it to exclude and search, it's going to allow you to search for products which are from any seller except the ones excluded. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.